Hi everyone, how is the weather today?
Hello! Yes, today we will learn how to talk about the weather in English.
Hello Henry, how are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Today, let's talk about the weather.
Yes. Talking about the weather is very common in English.
First, let's start with the word weather.
Weather means the condition of the sky and air outside.
For example, it can be sunny, rainy, or cloudy.
So, Henry, what is the weather today?
Today it is sunny. The sun is shining.
Sunny means the sun is out. It is bright outside.
Right, and when it is sunny, people like to go outside.
Yes, people go to the park or walk.
Sometimes it is cloudy.
Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds.
You cannot see the sun clearly when it is cloudy.
Henry, is it cloudy today?
No, it is not cloudy today. It is sunny.
Okay, sometimes it is rainy.
Rainy means water falls from the sky.
We need an umbrella when it is rainy.
Yes, very important.
Henry, do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I like it sometimes. But I do not like heavy rain,
Heavy rain means a lot of rain falls at one time.
right? And after rain, sometimes the sun comes out.
Yes, then we can see a rainbow.
Rainbow has many colors in the sky.
Let's practice a simple question.
Okay,
How is the weather today?
it is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining.
Let's practice again.
How is the weather today?
It is rainy. Rainy means water falls from the sky.
Very good. Repeating helps you remember.
Sometimes it is cold.
Cold means the temperature is low.
We wear jackets or coats when it is cold.
Yes. And sometimes it is hot.
Hot means the temperature is high.
We wear light clothes when it is hot.
Henry, what is the weather like in summer?
In summer, it is usually hot.
Hot means very warm.
And in winter, it is cold.
Cold means low temperature.
Sometimes it is windy.
Windy means the wind is moving.
Wind can be strong or weak.
What about snow?
Snow means small white pieces of ice fall from the sky.
We can play with snow in winter.
Yes, snow is fun for children.
But snow can be cold. We need warm clothes.
Let's make a short conversation about the weather.
Okay,
Hi, Emma. How is the weather today?
it is cloudy today. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds.
Thank you. And what do you like, sunny or cloudy?
I like sunny weather. Sunny means the sun is shining.
Very good. Let's try another one.
Hi, Henry. How is the weather today?
It is rainy today. Rainy means water falls from the sky.
Thank you. Do you like rainy weather?
Sometimes, yes, but not too much.
Now, let's learn some words to describe the weather.
Good idea.
First word, warm.
Warm means not hot and not cold.
For example, it is warm today.
Second word, cool.
Cool means a little cold, but nice.
For example, it is cool in the evening.
Third word, hot.
Hot means high temperature.
For example, it is very hot in summer.
Fourth word, cold.
Cold means low temperature.
For example, it is cold in winter.
Fifth word, sunny.
Sunny means the sun is shining.
For example, it is sunny today. I like sunny weather.
Sixth word, cloudy.
Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds.
For example, it is cloudy. I cannot see the sun.
Seventh word, rainy.
Rainy means water falls from the sky.
For example, it is rainy. Take an umbrella.
Eighth word, snowy.
Snowy means snow is falling.
For example, it is snowy in winter. Children play outside.
Ninth word, windy.
Windy means the wind is blowing.
For example, it is windy. Hold your hat.
Good job! Repeating these words helps us remember them.
Henry, let's practice asking and answering.
Okay,
How is the weather today?
it is warm. Warm means not too hot and not too cold. How's the weather today?
It is cool. Cool means a little cold but nice. How is the weather today?
It is hot. Hot means very warm. How is the weather today?
It is cold. Cold means low temperature. How is the weather today?
It is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining. How is the weather today?
It is cloudy. Cloudy means the sky is full of clouds. How is the weather today?
It is rainy. Rainy means water falls from the sky. How is the weather today?
It is snowy. Snowy means snow is falling. How is the weather today?
It is windy. Windy means the wind is blowing. Very good. Asking and answering is very important.
Let's learn some longer sentences.
Yes.
I like sunny weather because I can go outside.
Repeat after me. I like sunny weather because I can go outside.
Sunny means the sun is shining.
I do not like rainy weather because I get wet.
Repeat. I do not like rainy weather because I get wet.
Wet means water's on your body.
I like cold weather because I can wear warm clothes.
Repeat. I like cold weather because I can wear warm clothes. I do not like hot weather because I feel tired.
Repeat. I do not like hot weather because I feel tired. Let's try a full conversation using longer sentences.
Good idea.
Hi, Henry. How is the weather today?
Hi, Emma. It is sunny today. Sunny means the sun is shining.
I like sunny weather because I can go outside.
That is true. I like sunny weather too.
Do you like rainy weather?
Sometimes, yes. But I do not like heavy rain. Heavy rain means a lot of rain.
I agree. I like light rain, but not heavy rain.
Let's try another one.
Hi, Henry. How is the weather today?
Hi, Emma. It is cold today. Cold means low temperature.
I like cold weather because I can wear warm clothes.
That is true. I like cold weather too.
Do you like hot weather?
Sometimes, yes. But I do not like very hot days. Talking about the weather is very easy in English.
Yes, it is very easy. You can ask about the weather every day. Here are some questions you can ask.
How is the weather today?
Is it sunny or rainy?
Do you like hot or cold weather?
What is your favorite season?
Good. Let's practice these questions.
Okay.
How is the weather today?
It is cool today. Cool means a little cold, but nice. Is it sunny or rainy?
It is sunny. Sunny means the sun is shining. Do you like hot or cold weather?
I like cold weather. Cold means low temperature. What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer. Summer is hot and sunny. How about you, Emma?
My favorite season is winter. Winter is cold and sometimes snowy. Talking about the weather is also a good way to start a conversation.
Yes. People talk about the weather every day. You can also describe the weather with feelings.
For example, it is hot today. I feel tired.
Or, it is cold today. I feel happy.
Or, it is rainy today. I feel relaxed.
Or, it is sunny today. I feel excited.
Let's practice feelings with the weather.
Okay,
It is sunny today. I feel happy.
repeat. It is sunny today. I feel happy. It is rainy today. I feel relaxed.
Repeat. It is rainy today. I feel relaxed. It is cold today. I feel comfortable.
Repeat. It is cold today. I feel comfortable. It is hot today. I feel tired.
Repeat. It is hot today. I feel tired. Very good. You can practice these sentences every day.
Yes, repetition is very important for learning English.
Let's review all the weather words we learned today.
Okay,
Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy.
warm, cool, hot, cold.
Repeat after me. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy, windy.
Warm, cool, hot, cold.
Very good. You learned many words today.
Yes, and we practiced asking and answering questions.
Now you can talk about the weather every day.
And you can also describe your feelings with the weather.
Remember, practice is very important.
Talk with your friends or family about the weather.
You can start with simple sentences like,
How is the weather today?
and answer, it is sunny, or it is rainy, etc.
Great. Now you know how to talk about the weather in English.
Yes, keep practicing and soon it will be very easy.
Thank you for watching today.
Yes, thank you.
Don't forget to practice every day.
And repeat the important sentences to remember them.
Please subscribe to our channel, Mastery in English, for more English lessons.
Like this video if you enjoyed it.
And comment below, what is the weather today in your city?
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.